Hey guys, so welcome to our new lecture. And in this lecture, I'm going to just give you a brief description about how our course is structured, and it is just the introductory video. So, in the first day, we'll learn about sorting techniques in Excel. So, we'll learn about custom sort order, then sort by color. Then we'll learn about how to reverse a list, then how to randomize a list, and how to use the sort function. In day 2, we'll learn about different filtering techniques. So we'll see number and text filter, then date filters, then how to remove duplicates, then how to select the unique values, and how to select the filter function. Then in the next day we'll learn about charting techniques. So here you can see different types of charts like column chart, line chart, pie chart, bar chart, area chart, scatter plot, and Gantt chart. After that, in the next day, we'll learn about different tables. So here you can see we have structured references, then table styles. Then we'll see how we can add the analysis tool back, and after that we'll learn about how we can merge the tables. Then in the final day we'll be learning about how to use the analysis toolpack. It is one of the most important tools for data analysis in Excel. And here you will learn about how to select the histogram technique, then descriptive statistics, then ANOVA, then F-test, then t-test, then moving average, exponential smoothing, correlation, and the final part we have the regression. So guys, I hope that you'd really like this course and you'll really learn some really interesting techniques throughout this course. So enroll soon and thanks a lot.